Oh god.
Hi, how are you? This is in fact the third time I am recording this voiceover because this video is just so chaotic that the first time I tried to record the voiceover, I accidentally recorded it on my computer microphone, so it literally grates my ears to listen to it. And then the second time I recorded it on my fancy new microphone that I got for Christmas, except that I was way too close to the microphone and the gain was too high, so it just sounded like I was going like this the entire time. So anyway, here's my hair. Here's my poor hair before I do the bad things to it. And and there you go. I'm coming to you live from 1:41 a.m. on a Tuesday, post attempted coup of the US government. But when I filmed this video, it was, I believe, the night of January 3rd around like 10 p.m. So we didn't know that yet. We were just going with the chaotic energy at hand. Yeah, so I wanted my hair to be orange, obviously. But the thing was, I didn't have the right colors to make my hair orange, and I just decided that I would ignore everything that was telling me to not do it, and proceeded knowing that it was going to turn out horribly. But I did have a little bit of hope going in because I thought I know how to make a really good orange because I have this really bright pink. It's called Electric Paradise from Arctic Fox, and I have this really bright yellow, Cosmic Yellow. So if I put them together, they should make like the best bright orange in the world. But what I forgot was that I didn't actually have any Electric Paradise left except for a little bit that was already mixed with diluter and a little bit of purple. So I took that and I mixed it with yellow, and then I needed it to be more pigmented, but I didn't have any more pink, so I could only get more pigmented if I mixed more yellow in. But the problem with mixing more yellow in was that the orange was going to become yellowy, which is not a look you want, because then it just looks like you bleached your hair and then you did a really bad job toning it and it just turned out terrible, which is what the end result looked like anyway. But I was trying to avoid it. I failed in the end, but anyway, yeah. And I should have also taken the hint earlier in the night because it also happened to be my brother's birthday, so I made him a birthday cake, right? And I was like being really fancy, 4-layer homemade chocolate cake with homemade ganache, except I got impatient and I got impulsive, and so I didn't let the ganache set in the fridge for long enough so that when I finally went to go put it on the cake, it just seeped out the edges of the cake, and the cake just started sliding off of itself. And that was an hour before I did this, so I really should have known at that point that I should not try to dye my hair orange in the very same night. But did I listen? No. Did I wash my hair in very hot water 4 times the next day to wash this out? Yes. Did I avoid editing this video for, an entire week? Yes, because I didn't want to face it. I also made a TikTok that got a good amount of views, so you know what? It was worth it. So, and that's on content creation and mild suffering, but not really suffering. It's whatever. My hair's blonde now, so anyway, bye.
We really took a fat L, ladies and gents. Bailey, I blame you for this and so upset this exists. I knew it wasn't going to work, and yet, here I am being an idiot, and doing it anyway. Ah ha 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 ha